Howdy, neighbor. This is Phil Gibson with the Unity Group. Last week, Beth discussed a little bit about buyer sentiment, and I want to take a minute to dive a little bit deeper. Buying a home is a very personal decision, whether for you, your family, or as an investor. Each segment has specific needs and or reasons for their decisions. For this video, let's talk about the traditional buyer. Let's answer a few basic questions. Number one, where are you at in your life? Are you good with staying in the home for the next 5 to 7 years? Is your job status good? Understanding these questions can give you clarity on what decision you want to make and need to make. Number two, what mortgage payment works for my budget? Sure, you can refinance later if and when the rate drops, but can you comfortably afford the payment now? Talk with your financial advisor and to get yourself in the position to afford a home and give yourself that level of comfort. Number three, do you understand there is more to owning a home than the mortgage payment? Yes, there is going to be ongoing maintenance and stuff will break. So having a savings that can support those requirements is really important. Number four, real estate is hyper-local, even within our Denver market. So watch a couple of areas that you might be interested in. Answer the question, is this an area that over the next 5 to 7 years or longer, I could raise a family, I could retire comfortably, or maybe I want to rent it later, or simply just enjoy my neighbors. So do these homes hit the sweet spot for your budget? Why are you wanting to buy a home? Are you wanting to improve your life, or are you feeling like I have to do this because this is what I'm supposed to do? Wealth building is a long-term play. So make sure you're talking with the experts in the fields that can help you get there. Financial advisors, lenders, and realtors who work in their respective fields daily and understand your goals. Hopefully, by answering these questions and getting support from your experts, you can take some of the pressure off and the fear from this buyer sentiment piece of what others are saying about buying a home. Planning is purposeful and rewarding. You just need to take the first step. Let Beth or I know how we can help. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day in your neighborhood.